Ngayon, ano ba ang sikreto para magkasundo-sundo? Wala po. Dadating ang wakas, hindi po magkakasundo ang mga relihiyon. Bakit? Meron pong mga relihiyon, ayaw sumunod sa Diyos. Mas gusto nila ang kasinungalingan. There are religions, there are groups who does not want to adhere to the teachings of God. They still want lies. Basahin natin.
And for this cause God shall send them strong delusion, that they should believe a lie.
Why?
That they all might be damned who believe not the truth,
But
had pleasure in unrighteousness.
there are those who have pleasure in unrighteousness. They believe lie more than the truth. So how can we be all together, one all together and united? No. That is a very, very impossible thing. That all religion be united. The end will come and it will not happen. It is prophesied in the scriptures. Wars will be fought between religion. Those religions who do not want to adhere to God's teaching will be against Christians.